got here at 10:33. And no, I didn't. Then we trying to find the adult kids meal. I'm gonna tell y'all, I've been looking for this for 2 days.
I got an orange drink.
I went to
Ow.
over almost every McDonald's I can go to. They don't have it. Oh, they just ran out.
Yeah.
So we just waiting. I got me a double cheeseburger and some fries. And a Coke. Yeah. I feel like they cold.
This is just things out.
So we'll be right back. We're waiting for Shanti.
Nice. I need to get my fries.
No, good. No. That's Shanti's. This is yours.
Thank you.
She got her kids meal.
Where is it?
It must be in home. We're gonna have to go back to the house. Oh, pick it up.
They just got it.
This is the double cheeseburger.
That's supposed to be a triple cheeseburger.
Triple.
Triple, it's supposed to have 3.
One. Yeah, it is 3.
It is?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
It must be a triple for kids.
The back is about to pull up. I'm just scared if I can let it.
Here. Finish.
Don't take a box out.
No. Put your fries on here. That's not what I meant.
That's okay.
Just gonna place it, woman. Dump the whole thing out. You do what you
I really don't like.
I want some ranch. Thank you, Mother. I just want to call you Daddy.
That's what she got. Today is Friday. It's no school. And we was the first ones here. And now it is packed for kids. What are you doing there? You okay? Make sure you eat the fry.
I'm gonna go get more.
The burger's next.
I'm gonna go get more sauce.
Where are they?
There.
And where?
Up there.
Your sock?
Sauce.
You talking about what you put on your feet? Oh, okay.
This is like sour sauce. Sour sauce.
Okay.
That's for the steak thermos.
Oh, okay.
You can get a save on your ticket. So if you want to go, you can get a save. Like, it would be half off like the price.
How's the food?
My food is not good.
What's wrong with it?
My fries are cold. That's
It's not good for last week.
Then why are you eating it?
Yeah, she ain't stopped eating that yet. I always tell the truth. That's some practice telling stories. Let's tell truth. Always.
My
There's a fly in here.
Get away from me. I only have one chicken nugget left.
I thought it wasn't good.
It looks like my friend's daughter. Put the glasses.
Just like my friend from elementary school. Just like Gabriella. Gabriella did the same thing.
I don't know if I thought it was on Facebook.
I haven't seen Gabriella since fourth grade.
Child, I can't eat no more. The fries are cold.
Exactly.
At Portuguese, they just now serving lunch. They just don't taste good to me.
Can I see this sweet and sour?
Huh?
This sweet and sour, it's a flood.
I know that flour won't leave me alone.
I don't believe none of this.
I got to stay firm. good for?
I think it's
Girl, you better eat this like.
this week, Mama. They end this weekend. But it says right here that the state fair is from September 30th to October 23rd in Dallas.
Oh. That's probably why they let y'all out of school
So
for
off
that.
weekends, Monday through Friday, it's $5 off for a ticket, and then if you're on the week, so weekdays, Monday through Friday, if you want to go, it's $5 off for a ticket for you. If you want to go on the weekends, like Sunday and Saturday, it's $7 off. But all of our tickets. Why? Mom, she took my ranch.
She said she needed some.
You need it for what?
I didn't know you eat ranch with nuggets.
Huh? Yeah, I always do. She just could be copying me. Your girl never liked ranch. She wouldn't eat it on anything. So I ate it. She's like, ooh, I want ranch too.
Oh, was it?
Our tickets are good until this weekend. Like Friday, since we have today off, and then Monday. That's when our tickets are done. So we can go this whole weekend. You'll get $5 off of your ticket. Or if Brittany takes this, she can get it for free because she'll just use some things. Can adults use ours?
No,
This
but
is crunchy.
They can't?
Brittany can go in because she's a teacher.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
This is crunchy.
Yeah, my chicken nugget was crunchy, and on the inside. So I just didn't eat it. So there. So I don't even know where it went. I probably ate it.
Yeah, you did.
Well, y'all, I keep trying. I try to find the adult kids meal. No success.
Can I get this in there?
So
Okay, this is yours now.
You see what I mean?
Something.
Those fries are
Keep it in
disgusting. Eat that.
There. 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 I'm eating it.
That is disgusting.
that is not eating it. That's licking it.
She's licking the sauce off and then putting it back on there.
Well,
I
y'all,
don't think I want that ranch in
Keep it in there.
guess we're gonna get out of here.
Why?
there. I'm gonna go to State Fair. So
Why?
Y'all say bye bye.
No! No, no.
She's not
Keep
going
this up. Bye bye.
wait,
So y'all, that's what I was trying to get right there.
Oh.
But
Cactus.
all of them
Flea
is
Market.
out. Everywhere I went is out. So
I got one. Damn, we got like thousands of tickets. I want to go.
then mom, put your seatbelt on.
Me?
Oh yeah.
Well, you're like, oh, mama, put your shoes on.
But I-
thought you said shirt.
No, I was looking at her shooting. Put your seatbelt on.
Put your seatbelt on. That girl is something else. Now it's time to see this day.
Well, we left McDonald's, y'all.
There's yogurt in
I
here.
tried to find that meal and could not find it nowhere.
I'll hold it for you.
But yeah, I tried to find it. Ended up eating a nasty meal that I didn't really like at all. and stuff. So hopefully I find it sooner or later. I'll do a video on it. But I already see everybody done did a video on it, so I don't know. It's probably
I
gonna
didn't
be
like their chicken.
But I realized nobody. I don't know if it's YouTube or what. But the video I did yesterday, I only seen one person watch it. Then I watched it and made it 2 people watching it. So 2 views on it. So I'm not getting the views. I'm not getting it at all. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this whole month out and just see where it gets me. Like I always tell y'all, it's in God's hand anyway, whichever way it go. I'm not I put them out there. You watch them, you don't support, you know. Because if you don't subscribe or comment or watch the video or anything, they're not going to put it out there, but my channel out there to be watched at all. So, you know,
they went.
I just do the best I can and hope for the best, you know. But like I said, I just like doing YouTube just to do it. So I appreciate it. I appreciate anything that anybody, if you watch it, I'm happy, you know. If you don't, I understand. Because I know majority of my videos probably is boring, but they're picking up. They'll be all right. They'll be all right. When it see fit, it'll be cool. So I'm gonna let y'all go, cause we're gonna do some more videos. We're gonna go do some more videos and stuff. So I see y'all. Bye bye.
I didn't even be in it.